Before we begin, this video is general health education, not personal medical advice. Your skin acts like a gatekeeper, controlling what enters and leaves your body. It blocks harmful germs and pollution while keeping moisture in. This barrier isn't just a wall, it's an active system that adapts to protect you. When weakened by harsh products or over-cleansing, it can leave your skin vulnerable without you even knowing. Your skin's barrier is like a shield made of cells and oils that lock in moisture while blocking germs. But harsh soaps or products can weaken it, leaving your skin dry or irritated without you realizing it. Your skin's barrier isn't just a physical shield, it's a dynamic system of cells and lipids that constantly repairs itself. The outermost layer, the stratum corneum, is made of dead skin cells held together by natural oils like ceramides and cholesterol. These lipids form a waterproof seal, locking in moisture while blocking germs and irritants. Your skin also produces proteins like filaggrin, which strengthen this barrier. When everything works normally, your skin stays resilient. Your skin's barrier can weaken without you noticing, like when harsh cleansers strip away natural oils, or over-exfoliation irritates the outermost layer. Pollution exposes your skin to harmful particles, disrupting its protective seal. Even hot showers or strong fragrances stress it over time. These factors don't cause immediate harm but make your skin more vulnerable, slowing its natural repair process. Your skin's barrier can weaken without you noticing, like when you use harsh cleansers that strip away natural oils, or over-exfoliate, which can irritate and damage the outermost layer. Pollution also plays a role, exposing your skin to harmful particles that disrupt its protective seal. Even everyday habits, like hot showers or using products with strong fragrances, can stress your barrier over time. These factors don't necessarily cause immediate harm, but they make your skin more vulnerable, slowing down its natural repair process. Some skincare products promise rapid results using ingredients like PDRN, but science is still exploring their full benefits. While these may support stressed skin, they aren't magic fixes. Real recovery takes time and consistent care. Always check if claims are backed by research, not just marketing. For example, AXESY's triple PDRN barrier boost serum launched in 2026, but its long-term effects are still being studied. If your skin feels itchy, red, or sensitive, especially after using new products or changing routines, it might be signaling barrier damage. These symptoms can happen when your skin's protective layer is stressed by harsh ingredients, over-exfoliation, or environmental factors like pollution. While mild irritation often resolves on its own with gentle care, persistent or worsening symptoms may warrant a check-in with a healthcare provider. They'll help you rule out conditions like eczema or allergies and guide you toward evidence-backed skincare practices. Always bring notes about your habits, like product use, to make the conversation more productive. Stress can quietly weaken your skin barrier without you even realizing it. When you're under pressure, whether from school, relationships, or big life changes, your body releases chemicals that may affect how well your skin protects itself. This doesn't mean stress alone causes damage, but it can make your skin more sensitive to other irritants, like harsh skincare products or pollution. If your skin feels tight, itchy, or red, it might be signaling that its barrier is under strain. While there's no quick fix, taking time to manage stress like through mindfulness or breaks can support your skin's resilience. Always talk to a healthcare provider if symptoms persist, bringing notes about your habits and products to help them guide you. Your skin barrier faces invisible threats daily, like pollution and climate changes. These environmental stressors can weaken your skin's defense without you noticing. For example, air pollution may irritate your skin, making it more sensitive. While this doesn't cause damage alone, it can make your skin react to other irritants, like harsh skincare products. Managing these factors, like staying informed about air quality or using gentle skincare, can help support your skin's resilience. Always consult a healthcare provider if you notice persistent changes in your skin. When it comes to skincare, over-the-counter OTC products can be helpful, but they're not all created equal. OTC means you can buy them without a prescription, but that doesn't mean they're safe for everyone, or that they'll work the same way for you. The FDA decides which OTC medicines are safe and effective, but it's still important to read the label carefully. Look for ingredients that suit your skin type, and avoid those with harsh chemicals if your skin is sensitive. If you're unsure about a product, ask a pharmacist or healthcare provider. They can guide you based on your specific needs. Your skin barrier is strong but not indestructible. It needs balance. Lifestyle choices like skincare, diet, and stress management can support it. But they're not a replacement for medical care when needed. Always communicate openly with your doctor about any changes in your skin, listing symptoms, triggers, or products you've tried. This helps them tailor advice to your unique needs, without assuming over-the-counter OTC solutions work the same for everyone. OTC medicines can help with some issues, but a provider's guidance is key for safety and effectiveness. Your skin barrier is a powerful but delicate shield. It protects you daily, yet it can weaken without obvious signs. If you notice changes like redness, dryness, or irritation, don't assume OTC products will fix them. Instead, prepare for your doctor's visit, list symptoms, triggers, and any products you've tried. This helps them tailor advice to your unique needs. Remember, open communication with your healthcare provider is key. It ensures safe, effective care without assumptions about what works for everyone. Remember, this is general health education, not personal medical advice. For individual guidance,